packaging is sick. Holy shit.
And there it is! And Nyjah Huston, there it is!
Yo, what up guys? We're here to unbox the ROG Strix Nyjah Huston Special Edition. Let's see what we got. This is tight. Love how it opens up like that. Let's check this thing out. The lighting on the keyboard is so tight. Even the fonts on the letters right here are sick. Let's see what we got under here. Got a whole setup. Tech decks. Got my board right here. Sick. Some rails. Ooh, still got the skills. Right here we got the mouse. I love how they got my logos customized and everything. Yes, sir. Stoked to get on here and try this thing out. Play some games, watch some skate videos. I'm hyped. This is the sickest computer ever.